Got a driveway with stubborn stains you just can't remove, or a car that never looks really clean, or a deck that needs rejuvenating? RYOBI has a pressure washer to suit every task. Each model in the range has been optimised with the right amount of PSI and water flow rate to deliver the best results. Let's take a quick look at the features of each model to help you make the right choice. The 1450 PSI compact pressure washer is a fully portable unit that's suited to lighter duties, like cleaning outdoor furniture, decks, and cars. This unit's easy to set up. Just plug it in, connect a hose, and away you go. There's also the 2030 PSI compact pressure washer if you need a bit more power. It's practically ready to go straight out of the box. Both these units come with a foaming detergent bottle to get your vehicle sparkling in the sun. This 2030 PSI pressure washer comes with a 300mm wide patio cleaner, so it works great on pavers, decks, and paths. Swap over to the turbo nozzle for really tough outdoor cleaning jobs, and soon everything will look like new. The impressive 2465 PSI high pressure washer is great for cleaning everything outside the home. It's fully loaded with all the accessories you need to do an awesome job. The most powerful pressure washer in the RYOBI range is the 2750 PSI pressure washer. It's got the power to clean everything, from tough stained driveways to outdoor furniture. And it's even easier with the inbuilt detergent tank. So, depending on your outdoor cleaning tasks, RYOBI has the pressure washer to suit any job, storage space, and budget.
RYOBI, a cut above.